For this set, I'm using Stiletto Full Coverage Nails by EC Basket. I shaped the sides to bring out the stiletto appeal. I'm using 2 green polishes by Kiss, gold chrome polish by LA Colors, a Macart stamping design. I have Wet n Wild glossy top coat and miscellaneous stones from my personal stash. This will be part of my Boujee Nails on a Budget series. Hey NailTubers! Hey Nailification Squad! I am so glad to see you here today. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to everyone who is new here today. I hope you enjoyed this video because I think you'll really like this set. The thumb and pinky will be this dark forest green. This color is so rich. I think it gives this set a true look of the season. One nail will be gold chrome, one nail will be two-tone gold with frosty green, and one clear stamp nail. And of course, y'all know I'm extra, so yes, there will be the bling. And if you are new, let me briefly explain this series. Boujee Nails on a Budget is a series that uploads every Tuesday. This series pays homage to the time when I was in nail school and couldn't afford but regular polish. Also, the things that are on the market now weren't even out yet. We just made it do what it do. This series showcases really nice nail designs that can be done on the dollar, but don't forget that it can also be done with gel polish as well. Now, because this is a plastic stamping plate, it's really hard to see, but I was really trying hard to show you the pattern. Funny thing, I'm not exactly a purple person, but I recently did a purple set that turned out so beautiful, and now here I am doing this dark green. Now, this right here, for me, is definitely not to die for in my book, but OMG. You see, I already have it on the other hand, right? But y'all already know that's always the sneak peek, too. Though this is a plastic stamping plate, it's used the same way as any other. When I'm done, I quickly clean it with a makeup sponge and acetone instead of cotton. The sponge absorbs the polish from inside the crevices in the design. And Scotch tape or lint roller will take care of the stamper. So now I'm at the second coat. This green is just a little different, it's pearlized. I've had these green colors for a few years now, and this is the first time I'm using them. For this nail, I only start from a particular point, leaving some of the gold color exposed. While editing, I didn't realize it and must have skipped the second coat on the solid gold nail, but the set still looks amazing. I think adding a mixture of colors or patterns brings out a polish that you typically wouldn't go for. Oh, and as I'm putting on the top coat, I want to be sure to mention when using chrome polish like this, always be sure all edges are capped because chrome polish has a tendency to peel more easily. My selection of stones was inspired by the colors in the background setup, and it came out so pretty. One thing did happen while doing this stamp nail. Though I had let it sit to dry, for some reason, it still smeared when putting on the top coat, but you could still see the pattern. Maybe not so well in the camera. I'm using a fast drying glue for the stones. You can use whatever your preference. I used a mixture of stones to create an arrangement that is very fitting to this time of year. Are you enjoying this so far? If you are, Thursdays is another regular upload day when I do acrylic nail designs. Oh, how could I almost forget? If you haven't seen it yet, you've been missing some super fun nail humor, guys. It is really a must-see and is called The Masked Finger. It's a hilarious spin of the original Masked Singer and currently premieres on Wednesdays at 3 p.m. Central Time. Set a reminder so you don't miss it. I'm glad you came to spend time with me today so I could show you this amazing design. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and so you don't miss anything else, hit the Nailification bell and become part of this NailTube family, guys. Much love to you, and see you next time.